They say I am mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. I was just on my own. When these two men came to me, they introduced themselves. They say they are working with mental health. Atiyaba left. I said, okay, how can I help you? They said they want to ask me a question, that if I answer it correctly, they will give me 5,000. But if I fail the question, that means that I am mad. I said, okay, since I know that I'm not mad, I asked them to go ahead. So they ask, if you are given a choice to choose between $10,000 and 100,000 naira, which one will you choose? I told them that this is a very simple question, that if I'm going to choose, I'll go for the bigger money. And that was what I did. I went for the bigger money. I chose the 100,000 naira. And that is how I end up here. They say I'm mad. I'm not mad. Abi, am I mad? I'm not mad now. I'm not mad.